Vitals on Donkey 12 look stable.
Thermal scan complete. Inputting the data now.
We need to increase the macro premix by 5%.
Confirmed. The automated dispenser is responding.
Deep inside the facility, hay and grain are precisely blended in rotating drums.
Gate sequence initiated on ramp 3.
Confirmed. Moving floor engaged.
As the gates close, the convoy maintains precise spacing. The onboard systems confirm stable readings.
Keep them moving slowly now. Clear the ramp. Next group ready.
The spotted journey is almost clear.
Increasing air-dry duration now.
Check the glucose levels on the holographic display here. They seem slightly elevated.
Yes, adjust the feed ratio for Group B.
Vitals in Bay 12 remain stable.
Confirmed. Proceed with standard cycle.
Uno, positioning. Dos, engaged. Tres, clear.
Cycle 1 complete.
Here at the bleeding line, the process is fully automated. Pumps recycle the fluids, maximizing efficiency under strict hygiene controls.
Check the pressure on puller 4. Looks good from here.
The process begins with a vigorous wash cycle to remove initial impurities before the hides are heavily coated in salt for preservation.
The hides are thoroughly rinsed before entering the drum for the first stage of salt preservation.
Everything is holding steady here.
Confirmed. The target weight seems accurate based on the current data.
as the laser blades slice the meat with surgeon arms managing to.
Alignment is holding steady.
Looks good. We are clear for the next run.
The flow rate looks good on this line.
Yes, the seal integrity is holding steady at 99%.
Cleansing. The fleshing machine uses high-speed cylinders and precision blades to remove unwanted tissue from the hides.
The delimbing process is critical to prepare the hides for the enzymatic baiting stage, ensuring optimal softness and flexibility.
How much longer on this batch?
30 more minutes, according to the timer.
Check the pressure gauge on the injection system.
It seems stable now. The dispersal rate is normalizing.
The thickness is uniform across the run.
Confirmed. The feeder rate is exactly on target.
The dispensers release precise formulas of synthetics, ensuring optimal penetration of the liquor deep within the leather fibers.
Check the viscosity reading on Sector 4.
It's slightly high. I'll reduce the flow rate by 5%. The consistency is slightly off on the sample.
All right, I'm increasing the dye circulation rate by 5%.
The automated system allows our staff to monitor the health of the herd while ensuring precise, synchronized feeding schedules.
check the readings on the left side.
Gloss uniformity is within tolerance, character A.
The Cinemeg documentary highlights the precision of the finishing line, where robotic arms apply the glossy top coat.
The automated guides ensure consistency before the workers verify the clean cuts.
Advanced imaging sensors meticulously check the weight, and seal of each package. Any deviation...
Check the weight on that last one.
It's already diverted to the hold area.
As you can see, the integration of robotics and our skilled team allows for unparalleled efficiency and precision.
Here the jackets are inserted with precision. The robotic arms then ensure a perfect seal before moving to the taping stage.
Zone 3, package count complete. Ready for robot pickup.
Confirmed. Moving to sorter lane 4.
Did you get the last one for line 12?
Yeah, I just sent it down the belt.
Are those straps tight enough?
Just finished the last one, looks good.
Can you get the squeegee over here when you're done?
Sure thing. We need this glass spotless for the morning rush.
Thank you for shopping with us today. Here is your receipt.
This is the crucial neutralization phase. Automated dispensers precisely balance the acids while the
pH is stabilizing at 4.5. Good. We can reduce the formic acid flow now.
The applicators must be precise to ensure the tags are hidden within the seams.
The internal temperature is holding steady at 160 degrees.
Good. The rotation seems perfectly even.
Once the vacuum seal is complete, the bags are rapidly labeled and prepared for bulk shipment.
The analysis confirms the specifications are met across the board. Good.
Let's finalize the report for this shift.
Our synchronized systems track every product in real time, ensuring unparalleled accuracy and safety.
Sector 7 is nominal.
Confirmed. Logging the response time.
Check the power levels on Sector 4.
Acknowledged. Stabilizing the flow now.
Ensuring compliance is critical. Here, synchronized printers apply the necessary export labels before being verified by high-speed scanners.
Every package is scanned for integrity, and any rejects are immediately diverted by the automated system.